In this session, let's understand Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese word. Kai means change and Zen means for better. We can also call it Suparivartan. It's a small act with big impact. Improvement which can be done by everybody at his workplace, whether he is a worker or manager. Kaizen doesn't need any big financial sanctions. It can be done with zero or very less investment. It's improvement at your workplace or in your department. First step in Kaizen is to identify the losses. But how to identify the losses? Let's have a look. Manufacturing losses are of 16 types and can be grouped into three categories: equipment losses, manpower losses, yield, energy, or tooling losses. Equipment losses can be further subdivided. Breakdown or failure losses. When machine is under maintenance due to breakdown and you are unable to operate it, it is known as breakdown or failure losses. Setup change or adjustment losses. When you want to change the production of existing component to another type of component, the activities carried out such as die fixture or tool change are known as setup change or adjustment losses. Tool change losses. During the production, when machine is stopped and tool change because it is worn out or breakage, it is known as tool change loss. Startup losses. While starting the machine, activities done by operator before starting the production such as cleaning, maintaining parameters and inspection etc. Shutdown losses. When machine is stopped and shutdown taken for planned maintenance work or inspection purposes. Minor stop and idling losses. When machine is stopped for resetting the parameters, adjustment done of some sensor or probe. Speed losses. When machine is being operated at the lower speed than designed by the manufacturer. Rework, rejection, defect, deviation losses. When output from the machine is defective, which is causing deviations, rework or rejections. Manpower losses can be subdivided as management losses, losses such as non-availability of tools, spares on time. Operating motion losses. While carrying out production activities, unnecessary motion, for example, while assembly process, operator has to get up every now and then to take the part for assembly purpose, which can be avoided. Line organization losses. If output from the different processes are not same, then bottlenecks can occur at some machines, while some machines may be idle. Logistic losses. If machines are located nearby and in sequence one after another, then material movement is less, or else lot of losses do occur due to forklift shifting the material in between the processes. Measurement and adjustment losses. Checking frequently quality characteristics such as dimension and adjustment of the machine accordingly. Yield, energy and tooling losses can be further subdivided as yield losses. More material than requirement is procured, which causes more machining to achieve the specifications. Extra material machining causes lower yield. Energy losses. Inefficient use of energy. Keeping electricity on when not required. Water leakages, compressed air leakages cause energy losses. Die, jig and tool or consumption losses. Replacing the fixtures or dies after the service life. These losses can be positive or negative. For example, you use electricity for working of machines. You can reduce the consumption of electricity by making it more efficient, but can't make it zero. Such losses are called as positive losses. Negative losses are which can be totally eliminated. For example, you take actions to eliminate the defects totally. Such losses such as rejection, rework, deviation are known as negative losses. Kaizen theme. In case of positive losses, it can be reduction in, for example, electricity. In case of negative loss, it can be elimination, for example, defects or deviations. In the problem description section, write down whatever you know about the problem or data you have about the problem. In the section before, paste the photo or draw sketch or flow diagram of present situation. Kaizen template from analysis onwards will be discussed in next part. Please like and share. Subscribe and click on bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.